So you are on iOS 26 now and your battery drains like hell and you don't even know a reason. So in this video, I'll just present you some simple solutions which will resolve your battery draining issue. And the very first thing that you have to do is you have to first of all open up your iOS settings, and after that you have to scroll down here, and here under cellular you get an option battery. So you gotta head into that, and here when you scroll down on this page, here are the apps which are using the maximum of your battery. And what you can do is you can simply uninstall or update those applications which are causing the most battery drain. The second thing you have to do is you have to open up your settings again, and again you have to go to the battery option, and next you have to head towards battery health and charging, and here you have to turn this button on, which is optimized battery charging. Keep in mind that this option is only available for Pro iPhone versions, but this helps the battery timing remain smooth and does an optimized battery charging. Next thing you have to do is you have to disable the background app refresh. Again, you have to hop into settings, and next you have to go to general and scroll down here, and here you get an option background app refresh. So you gotta head into that. Again, go to background app refresh and simply turn it off or switch it to Wi-Fi. This will disable refreshing the apps which are running on your background and help your battery last longer. The next thing you have to do is to manage your location services, and for that purpose you have to hop into settings, and after that you have to scroll down, and here you get an option privacy and security. So you gotta hop into that. Again, go to location services, and here you can switch its status to never or while using the app. This will also save your battery from the apps which are always tracking your location, so they consume more battery. Another problem may be your apps are not compatible with iOS 26, and for that purpose you have to go to App Store, and after that you have to go to the search button and go to your profile by tapping on this little profile picture available at the top right corner of the screen, and here you get an option update all. So simply tap on it, and after updating all the applications, your apps will be compatible with iOS 26, which will help your battery last longer. The next thing you have to do is disable push notifications, and for that purpose go to settings and scroll down to the end, and here you get an option apps, and you have to search here mail, and here it is. You have to tap on mail, go to mail accounts, go to fetch new data and set it to manually or overly. By doing this, your phone will not be looking for new notifications for mail every time, and this will save your battery a lot. Next thing you have to do is you have to enable reduce motion. For that purpose you have to go to settings and scroll down here, go to accessibility, and the fourth option in this list is motion. Hop into that, and here you have to turn this reduce motion button on. By doing this, animations become simpler, using less GPU power and saving battery life. And even after doing all this, if your battery is still draining too fast, there are only two things remaining that you can do. The first option is wait for iOS 26.1. They will fix all the bugs in that update. And the second and the best option among all of these is to turn off your iPhone and put it back in the box. Thank you so much.